Yo. You guys hear me? You're in longs right now. What? Already? What's up with that? All right, guys, we got a fun day today. We got a fun day today. Sheesh, we just mooning right now. So for those who know, we do have FOMC right now. Obviously, major red folder news. I was gonna go over and watch some of the FOMC meeting with you guys.
Phase of that kind of melt up truly, right? Where you get mass rate cuts.
Why have I seen this guy?
Tons of fiscal stimulus.
I feel
And
like
then
I've
to
seen
tail
this
it all
TRADERNICK.
in. And again, this is just playing around with an idea, but it's plausible. All of that leads to.
I also love my R2R is 1 to 3 with 70% win rate. Amazing, bro. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I'm not even lying. I genuinely am. They not streaming it today? You know why? You telling me the Fed was like, nah? Who the hell is this guy? All right, well, guys, I had a fun idea to do something today. First off, make sure you guys all like and subscribe. Everyone liked the video, but I had an idea, guys. First off, you guys can hear me put a 41 in the chat. 41. Full pour and pray. All right, so for everyone here, the markets are, I mean, I don't know. Like I said, especially because they're not even freaking streaming the event. It's like, what are they trying to hide? But no, nonetheless, guys, let's go over here. Let's go to like even the 15 over here. What happened? On the right side of my screen, we have NASDAQ. On the left side, we have now US 30. Okay, let's check it out. So over here, guys, on US 30, both things kind of were similar, but you see that we had a huge rally pre-session into session, and it had a big melt off when it came to like 6:45. It's like 15 minutes in the session, got the big melt off, back down. Same thing happened on NAS. So we came up, got a big meltdown right before. All right, so now obviously we have FOMC meeting. So he's going to talk about federal rates and all that type of stuff. That's definitely going to affect the markets and push price up or push price down. I don't like that New York session lows have been swept on both the pairs. That's the first thing I noticed off the bat. And I also noticed that we're both breaking above previous highs as we speak. US 30. Yeah, I mean, I just want to see this. All right, why an idea? So, my idea was that if we could just do it once just to see how we like it, and then if we like it, we could do it, you know, we could do it again. I was thinking about potentially doing some sort of giveaway for you guys today. But how we're going to do it is we'll do some sort of poll or something where whoever wins the poll will then you will DM me on Discord and you're going to come on live stream with me today. And on live stream, we are going to backtest. We are going to backtest a position, and all you need to do is you need to make, let's say, 4% without losing 4%. So you basically have to hit like 2 1-2s on backtesting without like losing basically 4 trades. Backtesting contest, exactly. So I'll bring someone on here. I'm going to reverse the chart on like NASDAQ or US 30, whatever pair you want. We're going to then go through and you're going to tell me when you want to take a trade. And when we take it, you tell me where your stop loss is, where your TP is. And your goal is to make 4%. And if you can, whoever can make 4%, you win the challenge. Does that sound fun to people? Would you guys watch that? Or would everyone leave? Do a poll. Start a poll. Yes, no. So let's see how you guys like it. I would leave. All right, we only one person. I don't care about one person. Let's see who wants it. I want to see who's actually confident with their backtesting. Who can actually call some trades? 66 of you guys here. I thought it'd be kind of fun. Like I would want to watch that. I want to see how one of you chat members goes crazy. It's just, guys, FOMC, it's not the best time to be traded, so I was just trying to think of something we could do. You know? Thought I'd find something to do while we wait. 83% said yes, it's a pretty good percentage. How many people voted, though? 24 votes. So that means that what would you guys rather have? Should we have a separate poll saying what would you rather do than full port news? I guess that's the 80% of you guys said yes. Now this full port news. Full port news. If I do, I'm definitely using my fucking. I'm not using my live account. All right, so people do want a full port news. All right, well, that's not the real poll now. Now we've done 2 polls. Now the real poll is back test. Now the real poll is: do you guys want a back test competition? Someone wants a challenge, or are we just full porting today? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh damn, now it's back to like 50. There's like 80% that said full port. That's pretty fucking funny. These guys want to blow up account. That's what I'm saying. Is that like I don't mind it because I'll just go use a fucking futures challenge and we'll just try to pass it today. I'm not gonna use my live account for sure. But I just it's not like you guys are fucking hilarious. What's the 99% that don't make it? Exactly. They just want to fucking full point. I know. But I'm also here. This live streams for some fun entertainment. Looks like some people want some full portage. Well, shit. How many boats did he get? 59 full port. All right, maybe we'll full port to start, and then we'll end the thing doing like a backtest competition. All right. So, you know, the people spoke. The people spoke. So what does that mean? That means that we are full porting today. Simple as that. It is as simple as that. All right, guys. Well, if I be scalping like this, going crazy, then you know, you guys asked for it. That's all I got to say. You guys asked for this madness. Let's definitely go into MNQ and let's actually add. And we will also add MYN. Sheesh. Let's go crash out just that. Let's do it. What's good futures challenge? Allegedly everyone likes TOPSTEP. Just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right. Let's check out a little bit. So FOMC meeting is obviously now, guys. So we're going over to the sim for some fun. What I'm seeing now is over here on NASDAQ, we could be filling this for value gap, looking for a continuation up into here. Like I said, guys, if you guys really want me to be on here going crazy, you know what that means. I hope you guys know what that means. That means I'm going to be buying and selling like it's no one's fucking business. Y'all should be scared. Not actually. Why does this one have an MA? Does anyone know? Didn't know how to get this MA off. Anyone? Moving averages. I like the 8. I'll use the 8. Double click on it. Thank you, sir. Who said that? SLME, motherfucker, I love you. I said, bro. Bro, you guys need to fuck off. Sometimes you guys need to fuck off. That's hilarious. All right, let's get into it, guys. So I'm gonna go down into MNQ and MYM due to the fact that I want to get a couple more trades, right? We got a 50K, 4,700. So that's 2,500. Let's say we want to take a max of like 4 trades, which is that's a lot for me, guys. Taking 4 trades in a session is no bueno. I'm gonna have to size down. So if I want to risk, let me go to sheets. Interessante. We're gonna use like 8 minis. Oh, but that's across 4 accounts. This is where it gets scary. Alright guys, I like that rejection here after swooping that low. Alright guys, so like I said, these accounts are just it's consider them like, let's just have some fun. Alright. YMNNQ. But I will say, guys, I think it was Sandrine. I think she said, or you said it. On days like today, guys, this is why 99% of people fail, is that they just would rather just like full port and have fun on like a news day than just take the day off or backtest or do something like that. So definitely be aware of that. That'd be something to like be aware of a little bit. But ultimately, guys, we're just going for we're going good. So we got copied, so we can't do 1 because I won't copy, so we have to do 4. 16 minis, guys. Micros. They choose. I know exactly. That's what I did a poll. It's not like I chose. Literally, bro, we're in a democratic society. You gotta listen. All right, on the real though, guys, if we actually want to do some scalping and shit, let's dial in. This will be some fun. So this YM, NQ, what are we looking at? NQ starting to go a little bit. Let's see if we can get a rejection here. If we start rejecting here, guys, I might just try and take shorts just to correct this little bit of a move. US 30 starting to moon. I mean, not US 30, NASDAQ. Trying to get some sort of rejection here, guys. Like I said, might just... I do think we might go long, though. That's the only problem. But it's kind of worth just trying to short these highs and lows, trying to play the range. Yeah, we'd already be in profit. What time frame is this? So let's go up here. 30 minutes, starting to reject over here. 30, 15, 5. 5 closes in 1 minute. So let's just see what this next 5-minute closure does. Baby gonna have to wait for milk. We go out. Baby gonna have to wait for milk. All right, guys, that was the 5-minute closure. All right, guys, you're taking out the candle high. We're starting to reject. Starting to reject, starting to reject.
Order filled.
Giving the first sells a go, guys, on this rejection. Just playing the highs, nothing too crazy. It isn't the best position, like I said, our position because overall bullish, but I think we could get a rejection here until the 30-minute. You guys can see here at the bottom of my screen, you can see my P&L. Really just playing the range of these highs, guys, waiting for that high to get taken out, and then taking the sells back into the range. See what we can do. Let's see what we could do. Risking the raptor on this one. Guys, as you guys can see, there's a reason why I'm not taking on my live account. I would not call this a high probability setup at all. But if you guys want to like scalp on days like this is what we have to do. We can't just like sit and wait for whatever. Where's TP? I don't even, bro. These are not like my usual setups. I'm just like, oh, this is whatever the fuck, guys. I'm literally trying to scout from my here to probably down in here. That's it. Little move right here. And it might still go long. You never know. We're up a little bit. I might even size up my contracts, honestly. I might even size up. It's not enough. 16 isn't enough. Just sent 20 times 999 units long on demo on that last candle. Luke, what'd you catch this morning? I caught fire US 30 buys. I got into US 30 buys, got a nice profit. I closed partials. The rest hit me break even. I then ended up scaling back in and making it back. So you guys can see here, this is my actual live account. You guys see here, not in anything right here. Over to here to history. You guys can see at the bottom what we seeing. All right, let's go to today. Go to today. Beautiful positions on US 30. That first position was a nice profit. Over into here. Live account, obviously. So I had a good morning, guys. It wasn't like massive. It could have been massive. I would have probably made close to 5 candles both positions if I cut them in nice profit, but I'd closed partials, put break even, and it just kept kind of coming back and hitting me before going. And then it dumps, so actually, you know, I don't even care. Let's go, guys. We on stream having some fun with the whole gang. Come through. FOMC day, we stop having some fun with some evals. Come check it out. All right, guys, we're sitting at prop. Like I said, I think I could have sized up. You know, if you think about it. Going for 1 to 2? Nah, like I'm not going for 1 to... Guys, like these are micro scalps. Like when you're scalping, like that's what I'm saying is I think I want to size up. Like, guys, this is only trade number 1. If you think that this is the only trade for today, you're fucking tripping. If we're really gonna be scalping this shit, whatever the fuck, yeah, you tripping. I'm gonna size up because on little moves like this, I want to already be up a couple. Like I'm not going for big moves. We're literally here scalping, guys. Luke, if I get stopped out, do I re-enter? What is that? What kind of question is that? I want you to answer that for yourself before I answer that. See, like just think what I may say. Cafe Day NLT, everyone about to hit the buffet. So funny. I'll let you know because I may even just cut it break even over in here. You gotta just pay attention. Stay alert. What kind of question was that? You have balls to short that, right? I know, trust me. It's not the best, but we're in. What kind of question was that? Miguel, welcome to the boss meeting. 30 minutes open, guys. Hope we get a nice bottom wick under here. Let's come back over. Starting to come down. US 30 starting to go up a little bit. We're in shorts on NQ though. So, oh, there we go. There we go. Because what I'm saying, guys, we're like not. I wanted to be up at least. $1 million. No, I'm kidding. We're starting to hold in here, guys. Might get some bullish volume back up into here. I see US 30s going. I see NASDAQ's going here. It's not really worth to just close out and profit here because we only made 40 bucks. So that's what I'm saying. Is I might just go break even, guys. Let these positions maybe hit me break even, and then what's it called? Look for a reposition. I'm gonna look for a new entry, but with more contracts. I'm debating. So I'd put buy, right? Yeah, I'd put buy. I'm debating here. Debating if I want to buy 16 stop and just get out, or if we come back up to entry, try and just add into what I already have going. So that's kind of what I'm thinking in my head right now. Do I want to, instead of just going break even and then getting in more contracts, just adding more cons? Because my thing is this, is I'm on, you know, micro. I'm just going to go up to just regular. I'm just go up to mini and just do like a lot. Not a lot of contract. Ten macros, that's what I'm saying. So right now I'm in 16. So that's technically, you know, it's technically only so I have 4 accounts, so it's only like fucking yeah, it's like 4. It's half of one. Like I should have done way more. I did the math wrong in my head. It's basically like, yeah, 4.5. No, not minis, micros. It's like 4.5 micros, which is like less than, you know, half of one contract, which is honestly pretty soft, to say the least. Mwahaha. Ah, oof. Guys, who ate this morning? Who ate? And if you didn't eat, why aren't you a part of NLT? I guess that's the real question. God did. Alright, guys, yeah, guys, as of now, I'm just gonna put some 16 right there. I ate a little bit. Me, my breakfast. Everyone's like, yeah, I had toast. Everyone's like, yeah, I had toast. W this morning, hell yeah. Yeah, Cypher, we got that get back. I did the trend line exit. Good shit, bro. There we go. Bro, I saw the craziest thing today at my crib looking at getting the flip. I walk in and it reeks and devas. Well, I look down, a 4-year-old was carrying a bag. Wait, what? What? I'm looking at getting the flip. I walk in and reeks the. No way. What kind of shit is that? My computer decided to update this morning, or else 5R. That is, yeah, that sucks. All right, guys, I'm about to get hit break even. And then let's go over to
Stop filled.
boom. All right, and now let's go into not MN NQ. We're just going into regular NQ, guys. And now let's look for a potential re-entry. But now I could potentially at least do like 4 on here.
Order filled.
And we back in, bitch. Let's see. A little better. Yeah, like, you know. Easy. So I just wanted to switch over from there. There definitely is like a bullish trend line going on right here, guys, but I just don't think we have the volume to push as of yet. If we start going bullish, I'm just gonna close and maybe we'll get into buys to try to get in onto try to get in on the little push up. We'll see. Let's see. MT5 or trade locker? I mean, it depends. I've always just loved MetaTrader. Can't lie. I honestly should have waited a little bit, guys, but fuck it. But at least now we're in a bigger position sizing, so we know what the fuck is good. Wah, wah, wah. Cause like yeah, like you see on this little move, we're already like definitely a better position sizing. Let's go look over here, guys. Now it's starting to go up a bit. I'm not too convinced. I think we're getting old classic fake out potentially. We'll see. This first trade, I'm only gonna hold like $250 or something. Basically what I'm risking. I thought maybe we would reject the channel, come down. So we did have that 30-minute open, guys. We can come over here to the 30-minute. This is on US 30. This is on NAS. I think we're kind of just wick filling in here to potentially come down. Unless FOMC is just gonna shoot us up, but I don't really think so. So we gotta see. And if so, maybe we'll try to give the buys a chance on US 30. You see US 30 is not doing the same thing as kind of slowing like right here. Maybe we could look at US 30 too. Let's see, we just took out these highs right in here. Let's see if we just need that little fake out above to come down, or if we kind of like re-break, guys, and start showing bullish volume. And we'll see. I just cut it, look for a re-entry. Like I said, I got 2,500 to play with, so 250 doesn't really. Or is the daily loss limit less, guys? Actually, mama. Back to break even, guys. Let's post some accounts. That's what I'm saying. Sheesh, come on. Come on. Oh, that wasn't a good rejection. But we don't just range in between here, guys. That obviously would suck. Ooh. What's up, Luke? How's the PM session big? Ben? What's up, Matt Dix? Hope you're doing good, bro. PM session's been good yesterday. What did we have yesterday? What was yesterday, guys? I kind of forgot. Today we have FOMC, bro. So we're honestly like, this is like a fun stream. I don't want to say gambling, but like definitely not, you know, usual trade. And I'm just having some fun. I did a poll and said, would they rather backtest to win a challenge or full port? And then everyone chose the full port. So listen to the chat. That's so fucking hilarious. That's still hilarious. That's what I'm saying. You had to be here, or else you'd think it was fake. Who else bought when I shorted and was pissed? Let's go back and forth. I don't blame you. Buys look good. I'm like, I guess my sell reasoning is anti-volume. It's not shown volume yet, even with FOMC right now. It could just crash. Is bullish volume Zed? Yeah. Should I take a trade on my main account? No. I mean, you could. It's up to you. Not financial advice. It's up to you, but. Yo, Luke, what's up with the Discord I was in? But I can't find it when I try to log in. It says unable to accept invite to like to like the NLT Discord. Maybe you got banned. Did you send something? Saba was on your ass, or Cypher. They said nope. Fucking banned your ass. I'm totally kidding. I don't know. There's the link to Discord though, guys. Everyone join up. So you could see that one thing also is it just the points really small today? Very interesting. Been doing backtesting on I have not. If you want to like send me the link on Instagram or Discord or something, I'll check it out. I have a software we can use though. I don't have it set up yet, but I will. Little break and retest. Come on, go chug chug chug. Yeah, T1, I haven't been active that much, so yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Little break and retest, or right now it's kind of break and retesting. We'll see. I'm debating cutting it again, guys. If we keep rejecting these lows, maybe we'll get a little bit of a push. What time is it? Oh, 43. I think it's just trying to shake out buyers and sellers. It doesn't even know what it wants to do. We play in the rejection. Damn, we had just rebroken lows right there. We literally just rebroke lows right there. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Guys, new vlog yesterday. Who watched the vlog? Guys, do you guys like that type of content? Let me know. Do you guys like the new videos? I've been dropping, bro. I dropped like 4 in the last 2 weeks. Or, yeah. Thank you, bro. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys go like and watch and comment. I'm giving away $100 on that video. If you if you didn't know that, it means you didn't watch till the end. No, I'm kidding. Time is the screen. Yeah, it's on the 1 minute right now. Should we just load up on sells, guys, until it just like. Why can't we watch the fucking. I can't find anything. That's all I'm saying. Like, did Forex Factory just hit us with a fake out? Forex Factory faked this out. Back in drawdown. I think they decided nothing, so everyone is confused. Yeah. Yo, can you get a chance? Can you explain the orb from this AM? Yeah. So, yeah. Who here knows what an orb is? Put it in the chat. I'll still go over it. Just curious. What do you say just got here? What's a orb? Yeah, we're starting to go here, chat. Let me see YM. Sheesh. Only down, like I said, I have 2,500 to lose on this. It's not a good thing, but we'll hold on to it for a second. I know we're handing out orders faster than me. Let's see, if we like flip and we just start just absolutely flying, guys, I obviously will cut it, but I still just think you might be shaking some sellers out. We'll see. Starting to flip. Let you guys know US 30 also is at these highs. NASDAQ on the other hand is obviously broke the highs. Another hourly. Hopefully we get something happen in 5 minutes. That's what I'm saying, guys. These fake little breaks. I should have shorted. I was gonna short, but I thought everyone would just leave the stream. Wah, wah, wah. Still might go up a little bit, guys. Got a little bit of retracement and go up, but as you can see, we're not like, oh, here we go. See, this is the volume. That's what I'm saying. I was about to say is we're not showing volume. This is showing volume. That's the difference. So if we see volume start increasing against our direction, nothing we could do. Cut it. But like I said, guys, I have some room to play with today. So I will get my get back. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Ooh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna cut here at like 350. Let's see. See if we can reject the 30-35 level. If not, I'm just gonna cut it and we'll look for a re-entry or something. Before re-entry or sign. W44 chat, where's the W's? Well, technically it wasn't a full pour or else like the whole account would be gone. Maybe on this next trade, because I probably would take another one, guys. Maybe on that one as well. Alright, guys, I'm gonna cut out here. What the fuck? You guys see me pressing exit. Why is it not X me out? Oh my god, you guys see me pressing exit. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Oh, it didn't fill me. I'm down to look for a re-entry, guys. So Now we know we did 4 cons. Now it's time to fucking bump it up on the get back. But we gotta wait for entry. I like YM. We could still potentially get into buys. NASDAQ buys looks a little like we'd be FOMOing into it, especially because we just run sells on it. US 30, on the other hand, is just now kind of breaking above here. Oh, damn. NAS buys, yeah, let's do this, guys. This is what I'll do is if you look over here on US 30, now that we've actually broken above here and created a fair value gap on the way up, if we can come down and kind of fill this and show a rejection, we'll get into the bounce. Get into the bounce. US or NASDAQ. I guess it's right here. We can sell into these fair value gaps and get a reaction, then probably get in on the bounce. But if we just like show volume come back in, guys, like this, I'm telling you, I'm not convinced. So not convinced. US 30's rejection. It's coming back down hard. US 30's tapping this for value gap right here on the M1. 5 minutes is down in this area, so we have to wait a second. Let's see what NASDAQ will do. Everyone, make sure you guys like this stream too. Come on now. That's why. It's not moving because you guys won't like it. No, I'm kidding. Let's see if we can invert this fair value gap on YM. Alright guys, hourly just opened. And 4 hour hourly. Hey guys, look at the 4 hour. What if this is just the topic of the 4 hour to flip bearish? There's that US 30. Ooh, there goes back up NAS. Didn't quite come back down into here. Nvidia also has all these equal lows right here, guys. Might get straight hunted. Seeing a lot of exhaustion in this area. Thing about NASDAQ is not really in a rejection area. Like at least US 30 is in a rejection area. That kind of makes sense. Take over to the left. I'm intrigued. I want to see us come up and fail to like break one more time, show us that we really don't want to go, and I'll probably just give it one more chance. Come up, show that you don't want to freaking. I guess we got this 5 minute too. Let's see what the 5 minute does. Got 30 seconds left in the candle. Alright, I might be engulfing here. Let's see. Can you explain why you're looking for shorts? All right, so if you look over here on NASDAQ, guys, on the right side of my screen. Oh, damn, look at it. There goes US 30. Hold on, real quick. Let me just see the 5 minute. Look at this rejection. I should have just already fucking shorted. I have equal high sitting above.
Order filled.
All right, fuck it, guys. Give me one more shot. Mom ain't raised no bitch. I don't like getting in this low, but I do think that we're going to get some sort of retracement down. Oh, come on. Obviously entered a bigger con this time, but like I was saying, is I'm gonna go to one screen so you guys can see better. You come out here to a higher time frame on the 1 hour. We clearly this morning came up, took out these highs, and we're overall in a bearish trend. So we failed to make new highs here, broke structure, came up, took liquidity above, broke down, and to me, this is us retracing back into here. Like we already have bought up. That's my thing, is that like I get it why you guys want buys and I see the buys. It's just that like we came up, rejected. We're coming up again and we're in an area that we could potentially reject and come all the way back down. Because look at the structure. Like wouldn't you consider this like when it came up, went down, up, down, kind of comes up, down. Like I'm just kind of trying to follow this structure in here. And I think that we could get it during here into Asia, but maybe it'll happen during Asia. Maybe we were early. But if it does sell off, you can say that like, oh shit, I get why, you know? That was a pretty bad entry. I kind of fumbled in right there at the lows. But that was US 30 also. Actually, NASDAQ even looks even same type of thing. So NASDAQ, same thing. You come up into here. What happened? We came up here and swept these highs this morning. And what happened right after? We absolutely bled down. So it's like, to me, why would we take liquidity above, come to then retake it again? Like, I just think that we're in a retracement to continue lower. And I could be wrong. Obviously, it's an FOMC day. There's a reason why I'm not trading it on my live account. It's clearly news and not the highest probability, but you guys voted in the poll what you wanted, so we're here delivering. Where your TP at? The ground. The freaking ground. At least filling in here. If we could fill in here, I'll be up a nice bag. So I'm in sell, so buy. We'll have to see. Slight profits, but we could just reject it and go. We shall see. We shall see. Who's your favorite actress? It's a good question. I don't know. Actress. Good question. Selena Gomez, Wizards of Waverly Place. I'm kidding. I don't know. Nothing really even comes to mind. Jennifer Ann. You guys are crazy. It should go. I mean, it doesn't have to go down. Like, I know you say it should go down. It doesn't have to. You know? Don't have to. I just think that we're in a rejection area that, like, guys, if we can get sells here, the risk to reward is kind of, at least in my opinion, kind of worth it, because the sells will come in heavy. Maybe we gotta wait till the 350 candle. Who knows? Megan Fox from Transformers. That's funny. Transformers was a fire movie, though. If you know, you know. I feel like this next 15-minute will tell us a lot. I've been meaning to ask you, how did you feel about getting moved from Dallas to LA, Luca? I was sad, bro. I threw my phone, cracked that shit. I already know. We're hovering around BE. I don't like it. You weren't real. Come on, spike down. Now we surf. We'll see. I think we might get a little bit of sells right here, guys. It's all about how, like, what happens in 3 minutes. Like, that 15-minute will probably don't bull flag here. That's what I'm thinking. I literally was thinking that same thing. That's so funny you said that. Those coming in, guys. You guys can see up nice on the accounts. Almost up, but we lost in that last trade already. Bang. UTP 25%. Good shit. W. WW. I'm like that, you know, usually when it's like my live account and stuff, I'm more inclined to do that, but I'm trying to let this one run. We'll see. Don't really want to break this to the upside though, for sure. So we come up here and we start throwing bullish strength, especially at the 15-minute. I don't know. Not as confident. We're in these shorts right here, guys. I 104 TP got the mark. Hell yeah. Sheesh, come on now. We're sitting up nice for a second too now. Come on. Ain't no way. W scalp, I know. Like 1 or 2 candles though. Like that's like mega scalp. Damn, definitely want to break that bullfrog to the upside, so I might be cutting it, guys. Just small there. What is freaking US 30 doing? Oh, US 30 had the nice shorts, bro. What? Sheesh. Right when it inverted this, guys, that would have been actually fire as fuck. Hurts my feelings to even look. Yo, Eric, where you been, my boy? Long time no see. Where you been? Where you been? Where you been? Trying to make some money to pay for summer school. My boy Eric's always on a grind, my guy. Hell yeah. Come on, 15-minute. What the fuck you want to do? Luke, do you use TopStep? Not on this one. These ones I'm just full porting some Apex accounts, but I heard TopStep because TopStep is also good. Good shit, Eric. Yeah, bro, that's important. W Eric. Luke should live stream jump in the pool if it's a W. Maybe. Do you have a mobile trading setup? What's the craziest place you've ever taken a trade? I do have a mobile setup now, but I mean, I've taken some cool trades in fucking random places all over the world. Can't even lie. Like literally, I have some cool videos of floating profits literally everywhere. Floating profits on the top of the Eiffel Tower. In like a cenote cave. In Monaco. Dubai. In an airplane. Maybe we should just be microscoping these freaking moves, guys. Like this little 2 candle right there. These little 2 candle buys right here. Another little 2 candle. Like, what the fuck? Mile High Trading Club, exactly. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm going to cut these ones. Well, we gave it a shot. I'm going to put it right above these highs. These highs get broken. I'm in sell, so I got to
Order filled.
Oh, it's already foam? Filled it quick. Get rid of these ones. I thought scalping was like 10 points. Scalping is just lower time frame. There's no like, you know what I'm saying? There's no like, what's it called? Definition like, oh, you have to trade this time frame to be a scalper. Like scalping is just holding for not that long, right? But we could get in these little micro scalps up and down. Because these trend lines would have worked, guys. I can't believe. I don't know. I'm curious to see during Asia, guys. I have some feeling that we're still gonna melt off. Maybe I'm early. Maybe I'm just super suspicious, whatever they call. But you know, you'll see. I still have stream tomorrow, so we'll come back and I'll be like, bruh, either that was right and that was easy as fuck, or Charles moving slower than DJ Khaled running next to Ashton Hall. Oh my god. That's funny as fuck. Now, I had these good little moves right here. I'm glad I obviously didn't do it on my live at all, but you guys wanted me to come fucking give it a shot. I was here. I wish I gave what's it called? US 30 right here. The little inversion of this for value gap. I don't know why I gave Nas another shot. This looks pretty nice. Nice little move down, but ultimately could just not be ready. US 30 looks like it was a little bit more in our favor for these shorts. Didn't really have as big of these moves. Nas is just mooning. But you know, technically kind of fought the trend, but I think that in my head because I was trying to just like one trade max leverage, try to catch the drop for you know, trying to full port the account. Just was early. I still think during Asia, guys. So once again, if you guys didn't know why, once again, we'll go to the hourly. You can see here this morning, we swept these previous highs that led to this whole impulse. So we were in this like bullish trend, came up, took these highs, channeled back down, and then took them again. So in my opinion, whenever there's big highs like this, there's people who sold and their stop losses are obviously above these highs. So after we came up and took them this morning and they had an immediate, like look at the sell volume that came in, guys. I thought this sell volume from this high to this low was kind of the impulse, and then we were retracing within here to potentially come down because we kind of like, you know, made this high, channeled back down, stop losses are above this high, come up, took them, a lot of volume to come in, retest into here, looking to continue back lower. So this is like what my overall view is. Obviously, we were micro scalping, so obviously the higher time frames don't have to completely agree with it, but that was the reasoning behind it for anyone who like didn't really know. US 30 looks even better for that, especially because of this, like, you know, failed to make a new high here, broke structure, took out this previous high, came down, and now we're back up here retesting. So we'll see. I still think US 30 could still kind of short if you guys are still going to be up on the charts or whatever, but I say I'm probably just going to give that shot tomorrow. Like, it's like, because for me, I don't know, I really don't want to hop in the buys after trying to short twice. You know what I'm saying? If I short again and lose, that's 3 trades trying to short. That's just, I don't know. Not it for me. But like I said, guys, try to do it just to have some fun on an FOMC day. Bitcoin hit 110. Wow, that's awesome. It's so funny that Bitcoin's now just chilling above 100K and everyone's just like, you know, it's like, bro, remember when Bitcoin was like fucking in the 20Ks and everyone was like, oh, no, it's going down. That was like 4x ago, guys. 4 times. What time is the Asian market? So it's gonna it's at 4 p.m. freaking Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. But I'm expecting a probably retracement during there, guys. You can see we're starting to honestly. You can see we just took out that high and are starting to kind of reject. I guess I'm just trying to call the top, but I think it's coming. I think it is coming. So that's US 30. That was NAS, but this is US 30. Had a good rejection once again. Just look out for this head and shoulders potentially. Right, head here, right shoulder. Look for that dump down. I'd be looking for something like that. But guys, make sure you guys are in the Discord. Maybe if I do take something else, I'll send it into the Discord or something. But I'm just gonna leave it alone for today. FOMC day. I wanted to obviously do that backtesting stuff with you guys. I want to do it another day. Maybe we'll do it on like a weekend when the markets just aren't open or something. And we'll get on. We'll do a backtesting thing, and you guys can win some prizes during it. That actually be a fun thing. Come backtest, you get called onto the stage to backtest. If you can win, you'll win some prizes. If not, all good. On to the next one. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for coming, and I'll see you guys. Guys, we got back on stream tomorrow. We're not going anywhere. Back on stream tomorrow. And if you guys have not watched my new YouTube video for today, guys, new YouTube video today, right here. Everyone go give it a watch. Everyone go give it a watch. But I appreciate y'all. See you guys back tomorrow. Go watch that thing. Leave it a comment. And I'll see you guys back on stream. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you guys join the Discord. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.